We would like to create a presentation that changes the shape with every page change or slide change this way, where every slide has a different text uncovered by using Morph. In order to do this, first we have the shapes that we would like to have as a starting point, and we also include the text that we would like to be uncovered with each slide. Then, to ensure that the text is in the back and not covering the shapes, what we do is we highlight all of them, then press right click, send to back. Now we move the shapes on top of them. We press on the slide, we go to transitions, and then we select on Morph. Now we create 3 different slides from the initial slide. Then we go to the second slide. We reduce the size to show the text that's behind the shape. The same for the next slide, we uncover text 2. The third slide, we uncover text 3. And since we have Morph available now, if we start the presentation now, with each slide change, the shape will uncover the text. And you can apply this method to do the same transition, which is Morph.